Hi, and I welcome you to this lecture. In this lecture, I will talk about use cases of edge computing in defense sector. Just like healthcare, defense sector is also crucial, which requires very low latency and high availability. Now let's look into a couple of major use cases of edge computing in defense sector. The first use case we are going to see is command and control. We can fit in this use case in almost all verticals in defense. It could be an aircraft or a tanker or even ground troops. Effective command and control is crucial in all of this. We can reduce the latency and make it highly available by adopting edge computing. Here data will be transmitted from command and control center to different units we want to control. At both the end, we have to deal with data processing, which involves encryption or decryption and data processing. By using edge computing, this can be moved closer to the edge of the network. Since data processing is done locally, there will be less latency and high availability. Next use case we are going to see is data fusion and interoperability. This use case will fit in any scenario where we have to operate as a team. For example, let's consider a squadron of fighter jets. Each squadron will have around 12 to 24 fighter jets, and each of the jets will have its own radar and sensor. Instead of operating as individual jets, if all jets in a formation act together by sharing the information collected by sensor of each of the jets, the scope of operation will be effective. Of course, there cannot be a manual sharing and processing of data collected by sensors of each of the jets. So here our edge computing comes into picture. We collect, share, process and analyze the data across fighter jet using edge computing. Once again, as all of these are happening locally, there will be a high availability and low latency for crucial missions. I hope now you got a better understanding on how edge computing is useful in defense sector. With this, I conclude my lecture and let's meet in my next lecture. Thank you.